Researching numerous builder and subcontractor reviews led us to replacing our old faucet of 13 years with this new KRAUS one. It literally snapped in half and it was time to take out the single hole unit. My first impression, I do love this matte black finish. It seems well made, well constructed, like how things are easily accessible, like the packaging. It does come with this single mounting unit and all of the piping is integrated. Easy to see the difference between the hot, the cold, and the two-piece piping for the waiting for the spray mechanism has those easy connect attachments. This is one end. These are the connections for the hot and cold, pretty standard. And here is the other, let's see if I can find it. There it is, the other piece for the connection for the waiting. It was very easy assembly once we got the old faucet out. Here you can see the matte black in person. I love that this is a very simple push to the right for the cold, pull towards you for the hot. You can see the pressure here is nice and strong. It's super easy for me to manipulate everything with one hand. Like that the spray unit has a lot of flexibility through this large sink, and then you can adjust the full throttle or press the button for more of a wide spray angle as well. Again, it's not losing any power, super easy to use, and it does slide back in and connect well. You get that seamless look back, which I do appreciate. Love the 16.5-inch arc. It does stick out about 8 inches. I was concerned about our very tight space between the backsplash and where our mounting hole was, but because of this design, you just push it literally to the right or forward to adjust between the cold and the hot. And I don't have any issues with that, which I'm pleased about. And I did find the information in the packaging helpful. This is other types of offerings from the KRAUS line. If you want to expand your views, it does come with an opportunity to register for warranty. Should you have any problems, you do have a phone number and a website email for contact. And I did find the instructions quite easy. I have not installed very many sinks, but was able to do this by myself once I got the old faucet out. So very pleased with able to follow those directions easily. So far, easy installation, easy usage. Pleased with this product. Hope that helps.